Hi guys, so finally we came to the end of number system series. We covered many topics in number systems and today we will be covering the problems, complete problems which is related to number system. We have covered I think 10 or 11 videos in number system playlist. So we have covered almost all the topics in this video. So mainly if we can able to complete in one video, it will be just one video. Otherwise, we'll be having a part 2 video of it. Then we will be going to profit and loss or percentage. So kindly comment below which do you want in these two. Okay. So depending on the most of the comments, I'll go to the next playlist. Okay. So let's quickly get into the video. So here, this is these kind of models I didn't teach you because only when you see it, you will be able to understand. There's no hard and fast rule for it. So that's why I included this in the complete problem video. Okay. So the question is 1/3 of 1/4 of number is 15. Then 3/10 of that number, what is it? That is the question. So now of indicates multiplication. Okay, don't forget it. So 1/3, right? So 1/3 of 1/4. So let number be x. Okay, so 1/3 into 1/4 into x. So of, I'm telling you, it is representing multiplication of it. Okay, so for that we use multiplication is equal to 15. So if you find the number, you can find 3/10 of the number. So which is basically x by 12 is equal to 15. X is equal to 15 into 12. So 15 12s are 180. So x is nothing but the number which you are going to find is nothing but 180. In that you have to find 3/10 of it. 3/10 of the number. 3/10 of the number is nothing but, so what is it? So which is nothing but 54. So 3/10 of the number is 54. So that is your answer. So your option D is your right answer. Now let's go to the next question. So next question, when you see 3 times, we have learned the consecutive numbers, right? So this is a different type of it. 3 times the first of 3 consecutive odd number is 3 more than twice the third. So let us write 3 consecutive odd numbers. For 3 consecutive odd numbers, what you are writing? It is x, then x plus 2, then x plus 4. So this is nothing but 3 consecutive odd number. So here, this is your first, this is your second number, and this is your third number. In question, what they gave? 3 times the first. So what is it? 3 times the first. So 3 into x. 3 times the first is equal to is 3 more than. So which is 3 more than, right? 3 more than. More than means I have to write plus. Less than means minus. Twice means multiplication. Okay. 3 more than twice. Twice of what? Twice of the third number. This is your third number, which is twice of your third number. So now what is a third digit? So for that, if you find x, you'll be able to find. So this will be 3x, that is equal to x, which is 2x plus 4. So this will be 3x minus 2x, not 4. This is 8, right? 2. This will be 11. So your x will be 11. Okay. So x is 11. Your third, what is your third number? X plus 4. So which is 11 plus 4, which is 15. Okay. 11 plus 4 is 15. So that is your right answer. So 11 plus 4 is 15. So your answer for the third one is 15. Now let's go to the next one. Next one, it is similar of the consecutive numbers only. What is the sum of 2 consecutive even numbers? The difference of whose square is. Okay. First, let me write 2 consecutive even numbers. This is 1. And the next consecutive even number is x plus 2. I'm writing as this much. Okay. The difference of whose square. So this basically, this is the greater number. This is the lesser number. I mean the number which is lesser than x plus 2. So whose square? So x plus 2 the whole square minus x square. So their difference is nothing but 84. Okay, this is nothing but a square minus b square formula. Okay, a square minus b square. I hope you guys know it. You would have learned in 9th standard or 8th standard probably. Let me write the formula. A square minus b square is nothing but a minus b into a plus b. Okay, so here your a is nothing but x plus 2, b is nothing but x. So how will I write? X plus 2 minus x into x plus 2, sorry, x plus 2 plus x. Okay, so this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b, is equal to 84. So this and this gets cancelled. So 2 into 2x plus 2 is equal to 84. When I cancel these, this will be 42. So this will be 42. So 2x plus 2 is equal to 42, and 2x will be equal to 42 minus 2, which is 40. Sorry, 40. Then what happens is, now x will be 40 by 2, which is 20. So 20 is your x. If you do it quickly, you'll be able to answer. So now what are they asking? They are asking sum of two consecutive even numbers. So my x is, one consecutive even number is 20, other one is 20 plus 2, which is 22. So this sum only they are asking. So this sum is nothing but 42. So my answer for this is 42. How I'm getting 42? 20 plus 22, which I'm getting it as 42. So I hope you understood this sum. Now let's go to the next sum. Okay, so here what is the value of m and m? So which topic it does comes in? So this topic comes under divisibility, and those who haven't understood the questions or sums, kindly go check my video which has the theory part. Okay, then solve its problem, which is the next immediate video will be its problem. Then come to this video, so you'll understand really well. So they are, this is given and they asked to find if it is divisible by 8. So if it is divisible by 8, we know last 3 digits should be divisible by 8, right? So 5, 8 and n, right? So let me divide 5, 8, n by 8. So this is basically 8 sevens are 56. So here you'll have to, what should come here? N if I come, so 20, it is a number which is in 20s and it should be divisible by 8. So definitely it will be 4 only, right? So your n should be 4, then only it will be divisible by 8. So if you're confused with 8 divisibility, kindly go check divisibility video, definitely you'll understand. So your n is 8, only then last 3 digits will be divisible by 8. So this is over. Okay, so only there are 2 options, this option and this option are there. Okay, now you have to check whether it is divisible by 11 or not. So for that you have to add the consecutive numbers. So let me write this number, which is M39048 9048, then 45, then 8, 4. Because I'm just substituting the number 4 here. So I have to add the odd digits. These are the odd digits. And I have to add the even digits and subtract. So odd digits, if I add, odd digits, sum of odd digits if I add, which will be basically m plus, which is m plus 9 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8. So this will be m plus, so 8 plus 8, which is 16, 16 plus 9, which is 25. Then even digit. Even digit if I add, what are the even digit? 0, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 0. Then comes 0 plus 8. Then comes, sorry, I have 8 plus 5. Then comes plus 4. So basically this will be 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, 16 plus 4 is 20. So 20. So when you subtract this and then when odd number minus even number, if you subtract, that answer should be divisible by 11. So m plus 25 minus 20, you'll get m plus 5. So this should be divisible by 11. Okay, for it to be divisible by 11, it can be 11. Okay, so when m is 6, it is 11, so it is divisible by 11. So your answer for this question is 6, 4 is your answer. So I hope you understood this video clearly, and we have many questions after this. Let us continue in part 2 video. So thank you and have a nice day.